Selene and welcome back to my channel. I cleaned my glam room for you guys so I can film a storage system of how I store my shoes and my purses. Now I don't spend too much on shoes or clothes, but I will splurge on purses. That's like my thing. Everybody has like a thing that they splurge on. Purses are my thing. I can buy cheap clothes, I can buy really cheap shoes and be happy, but purses are just like, those are my babies. So if you guys are interested also in a collection, I will be talking about every single purse and like a little story behind them, where I got them from and how I went about collecting it, because I feel like each one has a memory. So yeah, let's get into it.
I'm looking outside my window.
This is a spare room that we have in our house, and I have converted it into my glam room, aka my closet, my makeup room, pretty much where I store all of my items. And I bought these storage systems from IKEA. They are called the Billy Bookcases. I'll have links down below where you can find them. And then I bought the glass panels separately. So I have 3 of them all together. It looks really stylish and beautiful. Absolutely love them. And they're also very inexpensive compared to other storage systems with glass on them. So let's head on over to the Vanity Area. The only piece of furniture that I have that is not from IKEA is this chair that I found at Home Goods, and I just spray painted the bottom a gold color because eventually as I get more stuff for the glam room, I do want them to be of gold or rose gold accents. And then on the faux fur chair, I have a little throw on there that is actually a faux fur vest, and I just love the pink, so I put it on there. It was only like $10. And then I got this cute little sequined cover from a PR package that I got from Vanity Cosmetics, and then I stuffed my own pillow inside of there. And this is the vanity. It did also come separately, so the tabletop was separate, and so were each legs that you can attach on there. There were also different things that you can attach for the bottom, but on the other side I use an Alex drawer, and that is where I store my makeup. It is so easy to use these. I could see why every vlogger has these, because it just is so well with organization and storage, and so I really like that. On top of the vanity over here, we have a picture of my wedding dress, and I love it so much, so I have it on there. Then we have some lippies, my makeup brushes, 2 different makeup bags. One is from Vanity Cosmetics and the other one is from Tory Burch, and then some of my most used items like the Too Faced Gold Chocolate Palette, and also like the Hello Flawless foundation from Vanity Cosmetics. And yeah, that is everything that is on top of my vanity. Let's move on over to this side of the room. And on top of the IKEA Billy Bookcases, I just have some of my bags. I do intend to keep them because in the future, if I do want to resell them, I have all the packaging with it. I'm also displaying this book that I found on Amazon. It is all about Chanel, and I just think it looks so classy and pretty, and it wasn't that expensive. So now moving on to the bottom, I do have some little artwork that I printed off online. I framed it with a frame from Target, and these are 8x8. They also come in white if you like. I just think it looks really nice and classy. And then on the other side, I have some artwork from one of my subscribers who has her own Etsy shop. I'll have her link down below where you guys can find her artwork, and it's just so pretty. So I have a little bit of you guys with me, and I love when you guys send me stuff like that. And then on each end, I do have some makeup drawers. On top of this one, I have some faux flowers. I wish they were real. They look so pretty and they almost look real. I got that from Home Goods. And then I do have some makeup in there as well as other little knickknacks. Once I organize it well, I'll give you guys a makeup collection. Give it a thumbs up if you guys want to see that. I color coordinated each one of these cases, so these are going to be all of the brown purses and shoes, and it's just so aesthetically pleasing to the eye. On top we have some booties. These are from either Shoe Dazzle or Just Fab. For a long time I was subscribed to them and I loved their shoes. I stopped eventually because I got too many shoes, but then we have some next to that that are from Nordstrom, and then some from Just Fab. Underneath that, we have one of my favorite crossbody bags of all time. This is the Louis Vuitton Speedy 25, and I actually have my initials engraved, and it's just so special to me. And then, as you can tell, it also has a strap, so it is the bandolier. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. And then next to that is my most recent bag that I got, and it is a Gucci Soho disco bag. Ricardo gave it to me for Christmas and I am obsessed. I love this one so much. I've been wearing it every single day and I highly recommend it if you are looking to buy it. Underneath that we have the Louis Vuitton Neverfull MM. I kind of wish that I got the GM because I tend to travel with this one a lot. It's extremely sturdy and very light, and I love how the patina has showed over time. It's just really, really pretty. And then inside of that, we have like some pochettes, some little makeup bags, a coin purse from Louis Vuitton, and then we have little Michael Kors bags sticking out in between of that. Underneath that, we have a purse that is very sentimental to me. It is from Michael Kors, and it was a gift from Ricardo. We were on our honeymoon in Miami, and he surprised me. It's a little heavy to wear, but I do try and wear it because I love it still. And then we have some shoes from Discovery. I think they were only like $15. They're super cute, and I love how they wrap around your ankle. Next are these shoes from Nordstrom. I like the thick heel, and some shoes from either Just Fab or Shoe Dazzle. And then next to that, we have another purse from Michael Kors. This was on a random trip that we went to the fashion outlet stores, and I got this cute little purse. It was on sale. And then we have this Louis Vuitton Speedy, and I think this one is $45. It's a little beat up because I travel with it a lot, and it was pre-loved, so it definitely has been loved a lot. In this case, we have all of my black accessories. I'm obsessed with this one because it has my favorite purse, and you guys are about to find out which one it is. On top, we have a Michael Kors bag, which I got for my birthday one year, and that's why I love it. It stays up there. I use the heck out of it. I actually broke the strap from how much I used it. We have some shoes from Nordstrom, and then a Tory Burch bag that I also got for my birthday from Ricardo because he knows how much I love purses, so he gives them to me for my birthday or special occasions. I'm not sure where the two shoes on the right are from. I've had them for so long, but these shoes right here are from Nordstrom Rack. It was a campaign I did with them, and they let me take them from the shoot, which is really cool, so I love that little memory. And ta-da! We have my favorite Givenchy purse. I love this thing because we went to London and Paris, and that is like my favorite place in the whole wide world, so I definitely took a little memory back with me. Next to that, we have this cute little book bag. I love all the studs on there and the hardware. It is from Michael Kors, and I got it at the fashion outlets. It was at a discounted price, and I've used it everywhere, like Disney World and theme parks, and it just looks so cute and stylish. Underneath that, we have this purse. I don't know if you guys remember, I did a collaboration with Market, and I had my own line of different purses and stuff, and that's why it's there. I love it. It holds such a special memory in my heart. And then we have some shoes from Target, and then we have some shoes from Nordstrom underneath that. And now these shoes right here on the right, I think they're called Soho or Zoho shoes, and then we have some booties from Target and booties from Fashion Nova, and I love how the little toes peek out, so I can't wait to wear those when it gets nicer outside. Then we have some more boots. These are also from Target, and next to that we have some from Nordstrom. I love that buckle on the back. And then the ones all the way at the end are either from Charlotte Russe or Forever 21. I can't remember, but those are also some that I love, the cute little flats. And in the next glass case, we have gold tones, blush, and nudes. And I love how everything looks. We have a Rebecca Minkoff bag right here. And this one I also got when I worked with Nordstrom Rack. And I got that from the shoot. I'm not quite sure where these shoes are from because I've had them for so long. But next to that, we have a Kate Spade purse. I went through a Kate Spade phase where I wanted all of my purses to be Kate Spade. It's a beautiful light pink color, and it's perfect for spring. Underneath that, we have a Tory Burch crossbody bag. I love the gold chain on there. I was lusting over this purse for a year. I waited for it to go on sale and then bit the bullet and bought it. This is one of my early purchases when I started getting into like higher end purses. So this one I feel like was the stepping stone for my obsession. Then we have some shoes from Shoe Dazzle, and then right over here, these shoes hold so many memories because in every wedding that I've been in, these have been with my dress. It just so happens it matches. So I call these my party shoes, and I got those from Macy's. Underneath that, we have this beauty I found when I was in New York. I was working with Revlon, so it reminds me of me working with Revlon. And then we have some shoes from Marshalls. I found those, they're BCBG. And then underneath that, I did a campaign with Express, and so those remind me of Express. I feel like I have so many memories in all of these things. And then we have this purse from Tory Burch, which I found at Mercari. Super inexpensive. You guys, I'm obsessed with Mercari. If you guys don't know what it is, I'll have a link down below talking more about reselling your items. So I bought it pre-loved. Then we have some shoes. They're really dirty. I cannot get them clean because I wore them so much, so they're on the bottom shelf. And then I have this purse from Akira. It looks just like a Chloe bag, and I love it. It's so cute. It's a little book bag, but I paid a fraction of the price because it was only like $20, and you know Chloe can be a little pricey. Then underneath that, we have some booties from Nordstrom. That was another campaign I did with Nordstrom Rack. And then we have some shoes from Forever 21. They're cute little summer shoes. And then a cute little bucket bag. When it was like the huge trend, I had to get one from Tory Burch because it's one of my favorite brands. On the other side, we have some more makeup in these Alex drawers. They're also from IKEA, and they just hold so many things, so it makes me excited to have them. And on top of there, I have this collection with MAC, who collaborated with Nicki Minaj, and they sent over like her favorite lipsticks from the MAC collection. So I already took out my favorite ones, but I kept it up because it's blush. It's really pretty to look at. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. In the comments down below, I would love to hear your thoughts. Let me know which purse I should get next, or which one you have that you love, because I love going off of your recommendations and I want to add more to my collection. So yeah, that is all, and I will talk to you guys next time. Muchos besos. Mwah.